want to talk to you about protection, and protection for inside of your Tesla. As the box states, from the road ahead to the floor below, LASFIT is with you, and they have you covered. They have your car covered with these awesome, safe, durable, all-season, all-weather TPE rubber material floor mats. They're custom made with 3D scanning, so it measures the corners and contours to the vehicle perfectly to ensure the mats fit inside for maximum coverage. They're extremely heat, weather resistant, so they're not going to break in the sun when your car gets super hot, and they'll hold in all the rain, slush, sand, snow, whatever environment you put it in. It's made with a TPE rubber material, which is super comfortable, super durable. Another thing I'll mention later is that they are also non-slip, so they're not going to be moving around the car. They're going to stay in place, nice and secure, ready to protect your floors. They're easy to clean when you pull them out, hose it down, use a dry towel, and all the dirt is just going to come off. And this is because of the material that they used. They have a lifetime warranty, so you literally lose nothing with giving these a try. Now that I've given them a try, let's go and put them in my car.
I'm pretty excited for these floor mats because, well, the floors in my Tesla, they're super dirty. So let's fix that. Let's go inside and take a quick look at what I'm dealing with right now. There is a ton of just trash inside of here. Little paper bits, little rubber, small bits of leaves, all of this just stuck on the carpet. And I do vacuum it, but what sucks is that these, because of the Tesla carpet, it's like stuck in the carpet. And so all my carpet, it's so dirty. Like it looks so bad. It looks worse in person. And so you won't have any of this inside of here because now it will be protected. We have the 3 floor mats just laid out right here, the back seat ones, the front seat ones. So let's start off with the passenger princess side. That's going to be this one right here. So it's pretty simple to put in. I would move the seat back all the way. That way you can easily slide it in, and boom, it just sits in just like this. Because it was shipped, it's gonna be a little bit bulged right here. All you gotta do is just press it down though, and it sits in perfectly flush. The sides will fold down a little bit more. Again, just because it was shipped, it was like folded all up. It needs to mold to the car, but the fitment is super great down here already. And it's soft rubber, so if we step inside of it, oh yeah, it doesn't look any different. You just got the super cool LASFIT logo. It's pretty minimalistic, just like the rest of the Tesla, but it's there to let you know that your car, it's protected. What's nice is that it has these little channels and grooves, so any mud or dirt or anything will get slid down and trapped in this bottom part. And if you look on the side, there's edges right here, back here, and on the sides here. And this is gonna protect it if you got a bunch of dirt in here. For when you do eventually need to pull it out, you can spray it down with a hose, some water, soap, all that good stuff, and get them clean, looking just as new, because these are super durable. Now it's time to go ahead and line the car with the rest of them. So I already have one for my trunk, my frunk. It's time to do the front passenger side as well as the rear seats. All right, guys, I actually should have done this side as the demo because, yeah, this is not good. Look at how bad all of this is. It's so dirty, and I try to be careful when I drive. Okay, go to your car right now and check to see if you have a mess on your floor, because I do, and I could have definitely used these mats beforehand. I don't know why I waited so long to get them. I do go on a bunch of trips, so I mean, there's an excuse for all of this, kinda. But what's nice is how easy they go in and come out. It literally just sits in here, which means when you do need to pull it out, it's easy to pull out so you can clean and wash them. The mat for the back seat slides in just like the front two, super easily to put in and remove unless you have your back seats down like me. Yeah, so I have a lot of stuff back here, so I can't exactly show you that right now. But trust me, it's the same easy process, and this thing is super durable. It's not even that thick though, so you're not really gonna notice it's there. It's just gonna passively protect your Tesla. What's nice is that on the back of the front ones and this rear one as well, you can see little spikes. Don't worry, they're just soft rubber, and all it's doing is making it hold against your carpet a little bit better. That's all it is, just soft plastic. And so it can get a good grip so it doesn't slide around, so you don't have to worry about your feet or any dirt, mud, or gunk moving around in your car. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I already put these in my car, so you just watch future me. This is past me when I have it all laid out here. I got the mats for the back seat, the 2 for the front seat, and I previously bought the ones for the trunk and the frunk already because I use them so much and I love them. So I decided might as well just protect the cabin, right? I didn't think I'd be super messy, and I'm super careful with my Tesla. The whole thing is PPF, so the exterior is protected, but it's super important to also protect your interior from yourself. If you do want to pick up up your own, I'll have a discount code in the description below. If you just want to look, I'll have a link there as well. So go give it a look, go check it out. And if you do plan on buying one of these little packages, you can mix and match. So you can get just these 3, or you can get the whole combo with the trunk, front. Let me know which one you get so you can protect your Tesla. And I hope you have a great day. Later.